Please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, then click the bell and then click all. Every like and subscribe helps us make more great videos for you. You may well find in Windows 10 or 11 after an update that your PDF reader gets changed from Adobe to something else, something like Microsoft Edge. So when you open up a PDF, sometimes it might not look right. It may just be that you prefer to have it opened in Adobe. Now this also applies if you're trying to open a PDF in an email too. So how do you get it back to using Adobe PDF? Well, all you do is find your PDF on the system, so just open up the yellow folder at the bottom of the screen there and have a look. There might be some in your downloads folder, in your documents folder. Just have a look through your system. It can be any PDF that you find. Move your mouse over it, okay, and instead of clicking on the left button, click on the right button once, and then after a moment you should get this box come up here or something similar, and you need to go to Properties, left click once. Then you'll get this box come up, and all you do is where it's got opens with, and then it will say Microsoft Edge, or it might even say Chrome, click on change just to the right of it. This box will appear and hopefully you should see Adobe Acrobat there. If you do, move your mouse over it, left click once, and then move your mouse over OK, and again left click once, and as you'll see there it will say now opens with Adobe Acrobat DC. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now if it's in your emails that you're having trouble, then just close down your email program, open it up again, and hopefully now it should open PDFs in Adobe Reader. If it still doesn't, then restart your computer to try again. And if you don't see Adobe Reader in this menu here where you've clicked on Properties and Change, if you don't see it here, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to reinstall Adobe Reader. Hope this guide helps, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out all my other videos. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.